Hi, welcome. It's great to have you here. I'm George Pierce. This video is about making money. It's about making money from home, the comfort of your home. We're talking about $150 a day, at least $150 a day. And this is totally for free. This is totally for free. The training is free. The resources are free, tools are free, the website is free, the autoresponder is free, so there's no cost, there's no expense. This is insanely simple. Everything is either going to be drag and drop or copy and paste. It's all that simple. And the training series is going to take you step by step, so just follow the steps. This is something that is not going to require any skill. There's no skill necessary. So this will work even if you're brand new, and you can do this from anywhere in the world. And this video is actually a quick update. There's some exciting news that I want to share with you, and first and foremost, I want to say thank you. This series is already being watched on YouTube and about 20 other social sites. Hundreds of people are already interested in this series, and I simply want to let you know that I am grateful, I appreciate it, and again, thank you so much. The exciting news that I want to share is in three parts. Number one, Exipure happens to be the particular product that we have chosen for this particular training series. This training is going to work on any product, it's going to work on any niche, but I did want to share with you that Exipure had a gravity of over 1,000 when we started the series. That is just absolutely insane, and what that simply means is that people are buying this product like crazy. A gravity of 100 is fantastic. A gravity of 1,000 is almost impossible. And the exciting news is that the gravity is over 1,200. So, and I do want to let you know that the next video, video number 4, has been made. It's in edit, so I hope to have it published here shortly. And I want to share some other good news with you as well. The end of the series is going to be about traffic. We're going to be using what's called on-site SEO, and that's going to generate a ton of traffic, but on-site SEO can take several weeks to kind of get rolling. In the meantime, you want to generate some quality traffic, and I'm going to be using a couple of tricks to help make that traffic the very best possible traffic that you can get. It's going to be totally free. One trick is that we're going to be using the very best traffic method of all. And the other trick is a simple trick that I kind of call by the way, and I'm getting about a 30% CTR click-through rate. And so I'm trying to share with you exactly what I'm doing so that you can do the same thing. I'm doing my very best in order to make sure that this training is pretty much foolproof. I want to make sure that anybody can do this, I want to keep it that simple. I also want to make it as fail-proof as possible as well, so that when you do follow the steps, you're going to get the results. Thank you. I appreciate it. I am most grateful. Thank you again. I appreciate it, and thank you for watching. Allow me to wish you much success. I am rooting for you. I will see you in the next video.